In the next few weeks, I'm going to dive a bit into divorce and I'm going to explain to people what the crucial aspects is. I'm also going to have a question and answer. Obviously, I can't sit in front of the computer answering questions the whole day long, so please send in your messages. I can or just ask me something, I'll respond in person. Okay, the first thing is if you want to get divorced, you need to realize, listen, here, is it uncontested or contested? I'm going to delve deep into the what is an uncontested divorce? How do you get there? What can you do? Can you do a DIY divorce? When is that appropriate? Usually when there's no kids and when there's no finances involved, then DIY divorce is the option to go. The uncontested divorces, that is where the problems come. You need to understand the process, need to understand the procedures. So I help people to get to the initial understanding of where they are and what they do. That's why we offer an initial consultation at 750 just to clarify and understand the concepts. We do the same for labor and for criminal and for everything at Power Attorneys. Therefore, if you need any assistance, any advice, come and see us. Make an appointment to 750 well spent.